are going to love the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, fog lights, Sirius Satellite Radio, brake assist, tachometer, front bucket seats, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.